Thought about that's a good idea, man. Maybe I tell people I'll clean your glasses for you. Oh shit! Look at that. I threaded that one. Wow. This stuff is amazing. Wow, look at that, man. Fuckers look good, don't they?
They do.
Okay, let me see. Oh shit! Wow, they bright.
How's the clarity on them?
Man, dude, you should see. You should look at them. You should look at them. Watch. You're gonna be tripped.
Woo!
Don't they look clearer? I'm now trying on these Toroe sunglasses. They're super comfortable. They kind of flex, and the vision is almost like 3D. I can see all the way down at least 10 blocks from here where I'm at, and it's unbelievable. I take them off. Oh, it's a little blurry, but these are amazing glasses. I recommend anybody to buy them. Toroe glasses. Thank you.
How's the comfort on them? Do they feel good around your head?
Don't feel like I got glasses on. Don't feel like nothing's on. Unbelievable. These kind of glasses I need because mine sometimes I feel them when they're on, but these right here, I feel like they're soft cushion, but they're not. They're actually plastic.
Now let the people know. Were you paid to do this, or you're telling the truth, all honesty, your truthful opinion?
I'm not getting no funds for this. I'm telling the truth because I just met this gentleman and I just got through cleaning his sunglasses with some plastic adhesive cleaner. I cleaned his headlights for him and the glasses and everything's so shiny and new. Maybe somebody need to come see me. I'm at Glennox in Paxton in the evening time. Thank you.
Hold on. This time, test the flexibility on them. Flex them, the way I showed you. And
okay, now these glasses are so comfortable when I put them on. And this is my first time meeting this gentleman. He's not paying me to do this. I'm just very happy with sunglasses. I need them. But look at the flexibility on these glasses. They're so flexible that most glasses will break. And it's almost like, I'm trying to pull them apart, but they're so strong. Wow, it's unbelievable. I'm gonna put them on. They are so clear. I didn't even know I put my plastic cleaning on it. These glasses are so clear. I think the gentleman's gonna bless you with them. It's Christmas time. Happy holidays, everyone.
And David, just so that they know, as mentioned, it's a gift from me to you. Happy holidays.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.